Jump in the game here. Anyway, I would like to give a huge shout out to Muscle Car Dude and Isaiah Pickering for telling me about this map. It is extremely useful. Anyway, I was thinking about going in my buggy or my police car or even my camper, but instead of taking that, I think we're gonna take the golf cart, the monster cart. Now, I will be doing a build to show how I built it. I have the video, I just didn't upload it yet. Still working on editing, and yeah, let's get into it. Oh, you can't get in the driver's seat. Okay, I see how it is. Anyway, you go to play. I do single player, but then if you're a multiplayer, you want to go free roam. You want to go custom maps. All. One of the helpful things I've done is hit by name, change it to by author. Type in Austin. P-I-L-L-E-R. There it is. Now, when I first started, I was driving around for a little bit in my golf cart, and instead of going left, so instead of going like this and going over there to the little thing, instead I started up here and I went this way. I tried looking around for them, I couldn't find any. Anyway, in this episode video, we're gonna be showing, so it's, I mean, like, this might just be my next favorite map on how to get free gold. Anyway, you come over here. Now, none of this is gonna load. When I first saw this, I was kind of suspicious, because, well, normally it load. I hit start trail. Now, see that green smoke? That means that's where it ends, and it instantly gives it to you. So right where you start is the finish line, so you're just instantly getting gold. Now, you could sit here and do it for like an hour and get like hundreds of thousands of gold. Anyway, it does give you the same things as Mason Player, but it's just faster. Just instant money, not really having to drive. Now, apart from me talking for a little bit while I get gold, I would like to say that we are not just going to be sitting here for a whole 5, 10, 15 minutes talking and just getting gold instantly. Now, what we are going to be doing is driving the golf cart around and doing like a little test drive as a bonus, because, well, apart from all my other videos, this is probably like, would have been like the shortest one, like a 3-second video of driving over here and then sitting. Let's just do it a few more times and then we'll get to driving. Anyway, I've been doing this for about 30 minutes now. That's a lie, I've been doing it for like a few seconds. I accidentally paused it. Anyway, we're just gonna go and drive around now, after this one. I swear it's after this one. I accidentally hit the button. Oh yeah, let's go. Now, this golf cart only goes to 124. As much fun as it is driving on roads, I don't know. Is that a hole? Hold on. Do holes on bridges work? Yes. Yes, they do. Oh yeah, back to what we were doing. So, I think I'm gonna test. We can get off. Can we get off? Wait, is there a way off? Okay, so we could get off here. Oh, come on. Okay, yes, we can get off. Alright, let's go back up to that hill. So, this golf cart is a little fast. Like I said in the beginning, there is going to be an upload of the build and how that went. Oh, look at this old truck. Oh, it finally stopped raining. Well, let's see if we go up the steeper side and low. All diffs. And we fairly got up. Alright, now my second attempt is just gonna be flooring it all the way up. Anyway, we're gonna be... Oh, it started raining again? Are you serious? Alright, we're gonna attempt this in high. In high, I think we're just gonna do 2 parts. No, why are you going down? Anyway, let's go back up. Oh yeah, so far, we are doing okay going up this mountain. There's that. I don't know what else there is to say. Oh, hold up. First person launch drone. Now, some of you guys may be wondering, is a drone gold? Yes. It's not in the dealership, it's in your garage menu when you first load in the game. I find this helpful for like stuff like this. Stuff exactly like this. I want to drive on this bridge. We're on the hill, so we could just come down here to this road and then drive on the bridge. Yep. Getting back to the car, you can just hit the pause menu, return to vehicle. Now, as much as easy it is just to hit the restart button and go all the way back to the front, I like driving. So we are going to drive there, and it's right in front of us, so why not? On the road. Can we get on the road? Yes, we can get on the road. Message from Tomcat. They're doing a live stream now, so that gives you somewhat of a time of day. Anyway, back to what we were doing. Swerving. Oh, swerving. Oh, this bridge isn't that bad. Don't think that's supposed to happen. Okay. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more videos. Oh, double 360 spin. One in the air, one in the water, end it off. Oh, apparently we're not, oh.